What's up everybody, Steven the Bossman here. Today I want to show you guys how I go about trimming my beard. It's been about a week and you can kind of see the little flyaways getting out of control. It's hot as hell in Texas, so I do like to keep it a little short. Give you a few tips. Maybe you can save a little money and not have to go to the barber. So let's get to it, show you how it's done. All right, so my first tip, make sure you go through your normal morning routine, put your beard products in after the shower, and then trim a little bit later in the day. Let those beard products kind of settle in because it's a lot easier to control and to get the shape down. And for some reason, your trimmers actually cut easier when your beard is moisturized. So trim a little bit later in the day, but make sure you're using your beard products. I use Bossman brands, of course, check those out. And that's gonna help a ton. Tip number 2, always trim down. If you trim up, you're gonna cut a big hole in your beard and you're gonna be sorry. You're gonna have to grow it all back out. So I use a normal beard trimmer just like these, and make sure you use your biggest guard first because we're gonna start along the jawline where it's a little bit thicker. Let go. Tip number 3, to get these little flyaways on your cheeks, I know they're really hard to get. Still use your big guard. Don't be afraid to get up on those cheeks. You won't cut a hole as long as you are going down. So make sure you keep going down, close to the cheeks. Even get your chin here. Just don't be scared. As long as you got the big guard going, you'll be fine. Just like that. All right, last tip. I like to move to a smaller guard, and then you can take care of the sides. And this way you can actually go up a little bit since you have a pretty decent guard and fade those sides into your sideburns up into your hair, just like that. With this smaller one, you can get up in your mustache, clean that up a little bit. Pretty good, right? All right, for my final stage, I like to use this small head. Hopefully your trimmers have one, but it's great for your mustache, so clean that mustache up just like that on your lips. In case you're making out with people, just like that there. And then let's get to shaving and clean up the neck and cheeks, and we're done. Thanks for checking it out, guys.